We're here in the fabrication room and we're in front of the 1961 Series 3 DB4. I'm actually here with the owner as well. And we're at the beginning stages now. So obviously we've stripped the car down, we've sandblasted it, and we're at the process of doing the metalwork repairs because there's a fair few bits of corrosion, but largely it was a very, very good car. Everything came off without a struggle, which is nice. And the conversion from left-hand drive to right-hand drive has gone really smoothly as well. So it's going quite nicely. We're hoping to have the car in paint for Goodwood Revival. So if you're going, hopefully you'll see it there. And then Jeff can explain some of the history of the car as well.
Well, in a limited sense, I know this car, new in 1961, was exported to Canada, to Vancouver. Its records show that it did about 20,000 miles in the first year, and then mid-70s was laid up and never used again, it seems, until we think around the early 2000s it was bought by a Kuwaiti, exported over to Kuwait, kept in storage for all that time. And then it came up for auction in Munich, in fact, in November of last year. And I was successful in buying it. I'd been looking for a car to do a restoration of this type for over 2 years. So I was very pleased that this one came up. As Pete said, it's proven to be quite a solid matching numbers car, an excellent donor for what we're trying to do. So we're very pleased with it so far.
Yeah, so we're also going to do a few upgrades to the car as well. We've already said we're going from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. It's also going to have a Harvey Bailey handling kit on it. We're upgrading the alternator, power steering, electric power steering, so therefore that's why the alternator's got to be upgraded. So yeah, it's going to be a really interesting project, so stay tuned for that.